Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Nisha in grade 8 from Wanyoike Preparatory and Senior School. I wish to make a tribute to Madam Wanyoike, the following heroine. Madam Lizzie, we are broken that you have gone to a journey of no return. You never said you were leaving, nor did you tell us goodbye. We received the news on that grey Sunday and wished that it was a nightmare we would eventually wake up from. But no, it's a new phase, era, and time to look back at the memories we all had. Heavens gained handsomely, a mother to all of us, a sweet grandmother to all the children, a mentor to many, a role model to the young generation, a philanthropist to the destitute, a good boss to your employees, an educator through your profound passion for education. In fact, we gave you a new title, a Mother of Education. Your love has given life to others, Madam Lizzie, we children being among them. We remember how you visited us in class just to say hi and check on us. You would then casually ask, "Are you happy?" And you would say a resounding yes. You would then smile at us, wave and say hi to your parents and tell them I love them. Madam Lizzie, we celebrate your life. We will take all your life teaching to make our lives better. We will emulate your humility and selflessness to be people of substance in future, just like you. We want it said of us that we inherited the attributes of our school director, that we inspire and give hope to those who have despaired. Madam Lizzie, even in your death, just know that the whole world is hurting, not because you have gone to be with the Lord, but because we have been robbed of a gem, a very special precious stone that we dearly treasure. As your children, we have one message for you. Rest assured that we are the future of Lizzie Wanyoike. We will continue lighting up the world with the candle you passed to us. You will be proud of us in heaven. That we promise, Madam Lizzie. I may not tell the world everything about you for now, but what everybody knows is that for sure, God has plucked the best flower from his garden. You are in a better place, Madam Lizzie. We will live to reminisce your passion, dedication, and contribution towards life. Rest in perfect peace, our heroine. Till we meet again, thank you.
Indeed, that star has spoken for us that we want to be here the whole afternoon.